good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever this finds you. I'm so happy to see you and I'm glad that you're back. I had a good friend of mine suggest that sometimes when you're caregiving, you don't have all the time in the world to be able to sit down for even 5 or 10 minutes. What's that saying? If you can't meditate for 5 minutes, then you must meditate for 10. Well, we know that that's not always realistic. And as our days through caregiving change, we still need to take some time for us. So, what about some meditations, some mantras that you can take with you while you're in the midst of something else? Now, ideally, you do want to take that 5 to 10 minutes to yourself so you can get centered. But when that's not possible and everything is coming in all at once, I just wanted to give you another option or so to get you through the day. So today we're going to do that. And this is one that I learned while I was in India, and it's from the Kundalini lineage of yoga, and it is called Satanama. Satanama. Each one is just 2 syllables, and I wanted to explain what they are so you know what you're focusing on while you're doing this. So the the fingers in yogic tradition mean something, and that's why you see when people are doing mudras, what I mean, and that's a whole nother video. But for this one, we're concentrating on the thumb touching the pad of the index finger, which means knowledge. The middle finger comes to patience. I know, ironic, isn't it? That the middle finger means patience. And then the ring finger is vitality, and the pinky is communication. So we're concentrating on touching the pads of each finger as we say a different syllable. Sa, ta, na, ma. And it's really easy because we're just starting with the index finger and making our way down, and we're going in a cycle. Sa, ta, na, ma. Now, what do those mean? I'm using my little cheater code. Sa can mean birth, beginning, infinity. So we're looking at this whole thing as kind of a cyclical, like a cycle of life. Ta, the middle finger is what we're using. This is life. This is existence. This is creativity. The third finger, the ring finger, this one represents death, transformation, and completion. And that doesn't have to be a scary thing. There are times in life where one cycle is complete and we move on to the next job, the next relationship, the next project. So it doesn't have to be a scary thing. And then ma is rebirth, renewal, and regeneration. So with each moment, you can think about how this transformation, this cycle can move with us. So sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Now notice I did it 3 times. The next phase of this, and again, I'm trying to make it quick so you can do it while you're in the waiting room, driving to your loved one's home. The next one is going to be a whisper. So we're just making it audibly different to our mind. So, sa, ta, na, ma, sa, ta, na, ma, sa, ta, na, ma. And then we take it completely silent. You can still use your fingers as you're saying it in your mind. And then we'll ramp it up again with the whisper 3 times. Again, I'm just saying, just start light. so you can do it and see how it feels. So we're going to go from out loud to whisper to silent to whisper to out loud. And you can do this as many times as you want. If you're finding that, oh, I'm liking that repetition, I'm liking where my mind is focusing instead of being scattered out into the multiverse, go ahead and do that. And if it's in a place where you can't say it out loud, you can always just, make the motions. You don't even have to make the motions. You can just repeat it in your head instead of having all of those other things that might be chattering away at you. So I just wanted to give you something. And again, I think my friend that made this suggestion that, we don't always have time. And so if you can do this and come to a little bit of peace or a little bit of stillness in your mind where you're focusing on a mantra instead of all the rest of the world holding it all together, then that helps. So I look forward to seeing you next week. And if there's any other suggestions that you might have, I would love to hear them. I'd love to help you any way that I can, serve you in being your most full, beautiful, vivacious self so you can help others. Have a beautiful day and namaste.